Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to select a pickup option on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Domino's Pizza. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically, you can see that we have your delivery address here and the order now button. On the top left corner, guys, we have the order now, pizza tracker, profile, legal notice, data privacy, T&Cs, and Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and select a pickup option on Domino's Pizza. Well, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go and click on order now to make an order, and you'll have two options. You can order now or you can order for later. We will be clicking order now for this. Then you have a lot of options here, as you can see, where you just need to go and select one option, what you actually want to buy. For instance, let's click here. And when you click on this green button here and go to checkout after selecting something that you would like to buy, you'll guys have an option to have pickup rather than having it being brought to you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps our channel grow, guys. So this really means to us. So if you could go and do this, it will be pretty cool. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.